Gosh, come on, jump! Yeah! No. For example, walk around and smile. My love, tomorrow don't forget a family day. Crazy time with 25x. Never ever gonna stop. Please, just one and we're out. Oh my gosh! Come on, jump! Yeah! Woohoo! We did it! Let's go! That's decent! Oh my, coin flip with 25x on it. Woohoo! Wow! This is insane. Okay, let's check those main multipliers, ladies and gents. Blue is on top. Show us what you got. 25x. Let's make everything 25 times bigger. Woohoo! It's a 500x, ladies and gents. On a blue flapper, please, coin. Yay! Woohoo! We did it! It's a 500x. Thank you so much. We were struggling and it feels so good. 500x, guys. 4,200.
Serchakar with a win. Bob, I don't even know, my guy. I don't even know. If it's food day for you. Oh, no. No food days for me. I'm still on a diet. I am eating a little bit more lately because I had a bit of incident a few days ago, which I want to believe was due to the lack of, calorie intake. But that was my bad. I messed up 3 times 5. That was my bad. I didn't do enough. Please, yes. Sorry about that. Ladies and sorry about that. I'm in a bit of a spicy mood, you know what I'm saying? I'm just in a good mood. It's happening, you know? We got crazy time, everybody. Good luck. Right, so let's see what we got, ladies. Just 3 flappers. Yeah, we got the base colors. We got the green, the blue, the yellow one. We got a triple in the middle as well. Oh, they fixed it, nice. And just choose which one you want to go for. We got the green, the blue, the yellow. Ladies, just triple in the middle. 200 times biggest multiplier. And yeah, final seconds, everybody. Good luck. Okay, let's go. Good luck. Okay, we got 25, green, 15, blue, but we did not get a triple, but we got a double on the yellow one. So, ladies and gents, that is 400x times multiplier possibility now for the yellow flap, but with the possibility to still get more doubles, still get that potential triple as well. So, ladies, let's see what you got 400 times on the live take, Andy. Come on. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is a strike. That's a home run. That's a hole in one. 400 times yellow. $7,547 winners. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Lamens with 40,000. All the number segments with one click button. You can bet on all the bonus game segments with one click button. And what have we got there in the last 20 rounds now? 3 tens of 5, 2s and 1s. Crazy time at 3x on the top slot. All right. Crazy time, maybe that would be pretty fire. And yeah, here we go. That is the crazy time at a 3x. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Huh? Crazy time at a 3x. Here we go. Boom. Let's see the beauty there. gentlemen, decide which color will be yours. Which platform, green, blue, or yellow? Well, most of you had decided to go for the blue. Max Multiplier 300X might be double, so let's go. $45X on blue, $45X on yellow, double on green. So now top multiplier will be 600X. Max multiplier 600X. Here we go. No way. No way. Another double there. Another double. Let's go. Now max multiplier will be 1,200X. What is happening? There's another double. There's another double. Here we go. Oh my, this is incredible. 2004X top multiplier. Let's go.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me?